So yeah, everybody, the price you pay at the supermarket is not reflected in their actual item cost, but the price you pay from a local, regenerative, nutrient dense, high quality farmer or vendor or establishment, you know, those prices are reflected in the quality of the food. Cheap food is an illusion. There is not such a thing as cheap food. Whatever you shortcut today is gonna come back to you in another way tomorrow. Remember all that. Watch, check our main channel and learn more about what we do.